Welcome to Dr. Khadar Lifestyle. Do you have vitamin D deficiency? Are you from cold countries where you cannot get proper sunlight? Here is the solution from Dr. Khadar, that is sun-dried mushrooms. Mushrooms contains ergosterol which absorbs the sunlight and convert it into vitamin D. So, if we consume these mushrooms at least weekly twice, there will not be any vitamin D deficiency. Now, let's get into the process of sun-drying mushrooms and how to prepare curry with it. Here, I have taken 400 grams of button mushrooms. You can use oyster or any other kind of mushrooms. I have cleaned the mushrooms first and then soaked the mushrooms in tamarind water for 10 minutes. After soaking, clean them and wash them again with structured water. Now, the cleaned mushrooms are ready. For better and faster drying, cut the mushrooms into thin slices. Like this. Now, the sliced mushrooms are ready. We will put them under the sunlight for drying. The drying of mushrooms completely depends on the intensity of sunlight. It may take days as well. The smell may be unpleasant, but no need to worry. After sun drying, they look like this. We can store the mushrooms in any airtight glass container. But for longer duration, like 1 year, you have to use amber colored glass container. We can prepare soup or curry with the sun-dried mushrooms. For that, we need to soak the mushrooms in structured water for at least 3 hours. Remember, we have to use same water for cooking too. For curry preparation, we need 2 medium-sized chopped onions, ginger, garlic and chopped tomatoes. Take a kadai and add oil. Now add the chopped onions, ginger and garlic. Fry it till it becomes transparent. Now transfer it into a mixie jar and make a thick paste like this. Now take a kadai and add oil. Once it gets heated, add mustard seeds, cumin seeds and let them splutter. Now add chopped tomatoes, mix it and cover it with a lid to cook well. Once the tomatoes cooked, add the soaked mushrooms into it. and mix them well. Now add salt as per your taste, turmeric, mix well and cover it with a lid. After 5 minutes, add onion paste and mix it well. Now add half tablespoon of chili powder, 1/4 tablespoon of garam masala powder and mix them well. Now cover it for 2 minutes. After that, add soaked mushroom water into it. Again cover it and leave it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add chopped coriander leaves and switch off the stove. You can have this curry with roti, chapati or dosa. I have little millet dosa batter ready with me, so I used it for this recipe. It's a very good combination. I prepared this batter in 4:1 ratio of millets and urad dal respectively. Heat the tawa and spread the batter. You can add onions and chilies according to your taste. Add oil into it. Now flip the dosa so that it will roast perfectly on both sides. Now our delicious sun-dried mushroom curry with little millet dosa is ready to eat. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel Dr. Khadar Lifestyle. Press the below bell icon to get notifications.